Good morning class 10. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the blessings of God. So students, today once again I am with you and I am going to teach you social science, and the segment is political science from your NCERT book, chapter number 1, and the topic is power sharing. So students, you open your notebook, take pen, because today it is political science. That is why you have to note down some definitions, some important points. So let us start. Question number 1. The question is, what is the term meant by power sharing? What is the term meant by power sharing? So we can say that what is the definition of power sharing? So you write down, power sharing is a political arrangement in which different and opposing groups all take part in government together. I repeat, power sharing is a political arrangement in which different and opposing groups all take part in government together. So students, this is the definition of power sharing, or what do you understand by power sharing? This is the answer of this question. So there are 4 segments in power sharing. 4 segments. The first segment, you can note down the first segment, horizontal distribution. Horizontal means, you know the meaning of horizon, that means same one parallel line, that is called horizon. So horizontal distribution of power, that means each department carries the same power. Horizon, there is no curve, that is called horizon. Horizontal distribution of power, those are legislature, comma, legislature, legislature, comma, executive, executive, executive. The spelling is executive, but when you will pronounce it as executive. executive, executive. And judiciary, judiciary. So I repeat the first point, horizontal distribution of power, those are legislature, executive and judiciary. The second point, you can write Roman number 1, Roman number 2. Federal government, FEDERAL, federal government, you can write in short GOVT, full stop, federal government, comma, governments at different levels can share the power amongst them. Federal government or governments at different levels can share the power amongst them. Third point, community. 4.4, coalition. I am sure that you have heard this term, coalition government. Coalition, COALITION, coalition government. In short, you can write, or if you want to write government full, you can write GOVT full stop or government. So students, you know that Indian Constitution, it is a blending of many constitutional characteristics of the countries all over the world. When Indian Constitution, it was it drafted, or it was drafted by the drafting committee. So many constitutional characteristics of the countries all over the world, that means the blending of many constitutional characteristics, other countries' constitution. So the drafting committee adopted the good quality or the good qualities and the positivities of some country's constitution, and then they drafted Indian constitution. You know that Indian constitution is a blending of other, not all, but it is a blending of some countries' constitution or good qualities of some countries' constitution. And Indian constitution, it is neither so rigid, neither so liberal. So Indian constitution has adopted the middle way, so that it can be amended time to time or according to the situation. If such situation occurs, amendment can be taken place, and already it has been amended many times. You know that. So today, students, we will discuss about the Constitution of Belgium. I know that you have heard the name of Belgium. It is situated in Western Europe. It is a small country, and radius wise it is smaller than Haryana. So you can imagine that how big our country is, India, a large country. It is a subcontinent. And where Belgium, it is a small country, and its radius, that means area, it is less than Haryana, a state in India. So about Belgium, we can say